Let's begin by scaffolding a new Next.js project. Well, use a command line tool provided by Node.js called npx, which stands for Node Package Execute. This tool allows us to run packages without installing them globally. We're calling create next app with it latest to make sure we're using the newest version available. The last part of the command, my next project, is the name we're giving our new project. Once you press enter, npx will download all necessary files and create a new project directory with this name. After the installation completes, it's time to navigate into our new project directory. Well, do this by typing cd my next project, which stands for change directory, followed by the name of the folder that create next app has just created for us. This moves our terminal's context into the project folder, where we can start running Next.js commands. With our terminal inside the project's directory, we're now ready to start our development environment. By running npm run dev, we invoke a script from our package.json file that starts the Next.js development server. This makes our project accessible in a web browser, typically at localhost 3000 by default. The development server provides features like hot reloading, which automatically updates the content in the browser as we modify our code. Once the development server is running, you'll see a new default page that Next.js provides. This serves as a starting point for your new application. Now, let's explore the structure of our Next.js project. There are several key directories and files created for us. First, you'll notice the pages directory. This is at the heart of Next.js's file-based routing system. Each JavaScript or TypeScript file inside this directory corresponds to a root based on its file name. For example, pages index.js maps to the root URL, and pages about.js would map to about. Next, there's the public directory. This is where you'll place static assets like images, fonts, and any other files you want to be accessed directly from the browser. For instance, if you put a file named logo.png into the public folder, it'll be available at logo.png in your application. Other important initial files include styles for global CSS, slintric.json for linting rules, nextconfig.js for custom configurations, and package.json, which includes all the dependencies and scripts for your project. That sums up the basic structure and command line operations to get started with a Next.js project. From here, you're ready to start building out your application, creating new pages, components, and styles as needed. Happy coding!